welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you are not new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. If you have not already hit the subscribe button, I hope you will do so and consider joining the family. Okay, so today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to make some fruit bags. If you are looking for a healthier option and don't want to snack on the chips or the chocolate chip cookies that you have sitting in the pantry, kind of want to do something a little bit healthier, these are a better option. It's easier when they are readily available in your refrigerator, so you can just grab them on the go. If it's midnight at night and you just want to get you a midnight snack, these are ready for you to grab and easy to make. So we're going to make them. I have some cucumbers, mini cucumbers here. I have strawberries, blueberries, apples. I actually purchased the Pink Lady apples, which are a little bit sweeter, grapes, and also bananas. So let's get started. Okay, so I have everything rinsed off. I rinsed off the grapes, the strawberries, the apples, and also I have cucumbers at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and start separating them into Ziploc bags to make it a little bit easier and cutting them up. And let's go on with the process.
tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world from the other. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
Alexa, good night.
Good night. Talk to you tomorrow.